The Apache RTR 200 has revolutionized the Indian motorcycling scene by introducing true racing technology to the masses. Get ready for a ride on this razor-sharp racing machine. That's right, 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. The race-derived 4-valve 200cc engine with O3C technology ensures that the power delivery is smooth and refined, yet brutally aggressive. The split-cradle chassis with a longer wheelbase offers great stability and amazing handling characteristics. Even at high speed, you can just glide through the racetrack. The well-renowned Kayaba suspension offers a comfortable and pliant ride on the city streets, excellent control on the highway, and superb cornering capabilities on the track. The aluminium forged handlebar on board is ideally set up to help you steer the bike precisely through city traffic, while also flawlessly following the line while tackling sharp corners on the track. The Ram Air Assist technology ensures the engine isn't strained even at high RPM. The power sweet spot is between 5,500 and 8,500 RPM, allowing for higher speeds at every gear. Petrol discs offer better heat dissipation and overall braking performance. Adding to this, the next-gen dual-channel anti-lock braking system with rear-wheel lift-off protection helps prevent wheel lock-up and skidding on wet surfaces. When passion and precision defines your vision, what you get is a product that always strives for excellence. The Apache RTR 200 has won several prestigious awards. Not only is it the first choice among the experts, but also a bike for the masses. Apache RTR 204V, engineered by the stopwatch.